Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeView.com. I've got two 6x6s from MoYu. And, wait. Nope, that's a 9x9. Okay, I've got a 9x9 and a 6x6 from MoYu. I've got a snow day, so I'm making a video. I don't like reviewing big cubes because often by the end I go, yep, that's a big cube. Wow, this is small. Holy cow. Okay, hold on. I've got to compare this to another mini. The layers of this are actually smaller than the layers of the, is that Dancing? That mini 7x7. Except for the outer layer, the inner ones are smaller. Ooh. Oh, this is so cool. This is actually really, really nice. It's really fast. It's magnetic. Wait. I wasn't expecting this to be so good. So yeah, what I was saying is I don't like reviewing big cubes because I end up often saying just like, yep, that's a big cube. It's doesn't perform like a 3x3 would. It's a little bit sluggish because there's so many moving parts. But this is like golden.
Golden.
This is really, really good. Wow. Okay. I mean, corner cutting is going to be like nothing. But this is tiny. This performs well. Like, it is fast. I don't even want to add any lubrication to this. I like the way it turns already. This is the best out-of-the-box big cube, 9x9, I'll even say, I guess bigger than 7x7, that I have ever used. You can maybe tell by how my expression just changed with this. I avoid doing big cubes sometimes. I think, yeah, I'm like, but this is, the size of it, this is something I would recommend if anyone's looking for a mini cube. Is it out right now? Let me just check. It should be because I delayed even doing this. I don't see this anywhere yet. This is specifically the ball. It has ball core, so magnets from the corners to the center. 208. I'm guessing that's magnets. MeiLong9m version 3. MF8990 is nothing. I don't know. It's not even out yet. But look for the Cubing Classroom version 3 9x9. This is insanely good. And it doesn't, out of the box, doesn't feel super, super loose. Like, it's a great tension out of the box. I'm in shock. I'm not going to solve it right now, though, because that's going to take 20 hours. Let's open up this 6x6. This is the version for AoShi. Again, smaller. Does it say the size here so I don't need to do a bunch of measuring? I'll just do measuring. Hold on. I'll solve this, but I'm not going to have you watch the whole thing because that's just rude. 61.3, 64.5. So, I mean, for me, for being an old person, I look at the 6x6 and notice that it is smaller now than 4x4s were when I was really getting into cubing. This version right now is matte plastic. Anything about this, it looks like, again, magnetic ball core. Really fast. Like, again, I don't want to add lubrication to this. I feel like it's already a great speed. I don't want to speed it up. I also don't want to gum it up at all. So I'm not going to add anything to this. It turns really well. Looks like that core might be nylon if it's not undyed plastic. But yeah, let's scramble this. I'm going to do a solve on it. This does seem like the lower end. Let me see if this one's there at all. Oh, the more magnets is triple track. So we have triple track, double track, single track. This is the triple track. So it's matte plastic, even though it is the highest end one. This is available right now. I'm going to do Hoya method solving this, even though I'm not going to show the whole thing. If you do Hoya method, great for 4x4, pretty good for 5x5, but once you get to big cubes, you are adding some excessive moves to there. I don't mind because I'm not doing this in competitions anymore. I got my mean of 3, and I am good. Okay, let's add this. Let's check out. Oh, it's been a while since I've done this. That could have been a bad solve. So I haven't done 6x6 in a while. This feels like a great cube out of the box. Feels real nice. Honestly, I'm more surprised by the Cubing Classroom 9x9 than I am with this one. I mean, this is also a great cube. I don't know. I'd have to try some other 6x6 to see if it's my main, but as far as just performance, what I'm most surprised with is out of the box, no lubrication, no tensioning, and it is like fast and turns well, and corner cutting is what you'd expect from a big cube nowadays. So, yeah, I gotta, I guess, unbox more big cubes because that was surprisingly fun. And surprisingly good. So with that said, thank you very much for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. As always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.